Welcome to designing your new home online with ease and convenience in 4 easy steps. Your personalized design will begin on the exterior of your home, where you'll be able to select design options such as paint color, masonry accents, landscaping, patio options, and more. Throughout the design, you will notice some options that are grayed out. These indicate items that are already included with your home. Alerts, information, and photos are made available throughout the design process to provide more information and help along the way. Be sure to create an account to save your design progress. You can come back anytime and pick up right where you left off. Now that the exterior of your home is looking great, it's time to jump inside to step 2. Start by choosing from one of our professionally designed style packages, which will display color and material selections that correspond to a particular style. Or pick Design Your Own Style to view all color and material selections. After a style is selected, you will navigate through the kitchen, main living areas, bathrooms, and bedrooms of your home to finalize your interior selections for these spaces. Use our real-time mortgage calculator and accurate pricing to keep your budget on track. In Step 3, you will select a home site in the community you're interested in. View available options per home site based on your preferences. Don't see what you like? View other nearby communities in your preferred city. Finally, Step 4, Review and Buy. Here, you'll see an overview of your selections, where you will have the ability to delete or change items as needed. Ready to secure your dream home? Click Buy Now, pay to reserve the home site, and leave the rest up to us. Within 2 business hours, our team will be in contact with you to review your selections and finalize the details on your home at an in-person model home appointment. To access your safe designs at any time, visit hayden-homes.com and click My Account at the top of the homepage. Your dream home is just a few clicks away. Start designing today.